So, your resin project has dimples. Those annoying little dips ruining your smooth finish. What's causing them?
Hi, I'm David, and today on the Craft Resin channel we're going to be tackling that problem head on.
Now here's the fix. Warm your resin and hardener before mixing. Place them in warm water, no hotter than 40 degrees for 5 to 10 minutes. This makes the mix thinner, letting bubbles escape more easily. After pouring, use a heat torch or a heat gun lightly over the surface to pop any stragglers. Just don't overdo it or you'll potentially risk overheating.
Another culprit can be surface tension or dirty moulds. If dust or grease get involved, then the resin can pull back and bam, dimples.
Now, I might sound like a nag, but clean your mould with rubbing alcohol before you pour, and don't touch it with bare hands. Skin oils are a total buzzkill for resin. Sometimes dimples can happen because of uneven pouring. If you pour too fast or in one spot, the resin might not settle properly. Pour slowly and evenly across the whole surface. And if you're working with a big project, tilt the mould gently to make sure the resin is spread out. Oh, and if dimples still sneak through after curing, don't panic. You can sand them down with fine sandpaper and add a thin layer of fresh resin over the top. First, mix a small batch, pour it carefully and let it cure. It's like a quick patch job to save your piece and make it beautifully smooth all over again. So there you have it. Follow these tips. Warm your resin, clean your surface and pour with care. And you'll say goodbye to dimples for good.
If that's helped you, hit that like button, drop us a comment and tell me, have you ever had dimples in your resin project?